Top 3 Homemade Face Scrub Recipes for Blackheads. Face scrubs are one of the best homemade remedies for blackheads. No need to use blackhead tools or harsh pore strips. Both of these can damage skin and even leave your pores open to more germs and dirt, resulting in more blackheads. Simply combine a few kitchen ingredients to create a powerful, all-natural treatment. 1. Exfoliating brown sugar and honey face scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon honey. Directions: in a small bowl, mix all of the ingredients well. Apply the mixture onto your face with circular motions, avoiding the area around the eyes and mouth. Keep scrubbing for 2 to 5 minutes. When you're done, rinse off with warm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. If your face feels a bit dry, moisturize with a drop or 2 of olive oil. Tips: stay away from harsh cleansers and soaps. Many face cleansers out there contain high amounts of chemicals and sodium lauryl sulfate (SLS), which strip your skin of natural oils. This causes your skin to compensate by producing excess oil, which clogs pores and creates blackheads. Steam your face beforehand. A facial steam will help open up pores and soften your face, enabling the blackheads to come out easily. Do this before using the face scrubs to push out blackheads faster. Don't overwash your face. Yes, washing your face continuously throughout the day is not the right way to get rid of blackheads. In fact, overwashing your face will give you more blackheads, not to mention acne and whiteheads. What's the deal? Well, overwashing your face strips away most of the natural oils, inducing your oil glands to produce more oils, and excess oil is one of the causes of blackheads. 2. Cleansing lemon and salt face scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon sea salt, a half teaspoon lemon, 1 teaspoon pure water. Directions: combine the above ingredients in a small bowl. Using clean fingers, apply the mixture onto your face and massage in a circular motion. Don't scrub too hard, as you don't want a red inflamed face. After scrubbing for 2 to 5 minutes, rinse with warm water. Splash cold water to close up your pores. Pat dry with a soft, clean towel. Your face will look amazingly refreshed, cleansed of all the dirt, excess oil, peeling skin, and dead cells. Tips: don't use too much lemon juice. It's important that you do not use more than 1 part lemon juice for every 2 parts water. The citric acid in lemon juice is a natural astringent, but if used in excess, it can irritate your skin, giving it a burning sensation and turning it red. Change your pillowcases. If blackheads attack you often, you should try changing pillowcases every other day. Wash your pillowcases regularly, because the fabric can collect oil and dirt from your face. Excess face scrub mixture. You can store your face scrubs in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. However, as soon as it starts smelling unpleasant, it is time to toss it out. 3. Softening oatmeal, yogurt, and orange peel face scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon ground oatmeal, 1 teaspoon orange peel powder, 2 teaspoons yogurt. Directions: mix the ingredients thoroughly in a small bowl. Apply a thick coat of the mixture onto your face in gentle circular motions, focusing on the blackhead-infected areas. After 2 to 3 minutes, completely rinse the mask off with either a washcloth or your hands and warm water. If your face feels a bit dry and stiff, moisturize with a few drops of olive coconut oil. Tips: hands down, touching your face can contribute to blackheads and acne. Keep your hands away from your face. Gather your hair away from your face. One way to easily prevent blackheads and clogged pores is just simply keep hair away from your face. Clean your face in the morning and at night. As much as overwashing your face is bad, you must wash your face twice daily, in the morning and at night. Use mild cleansers and these natural scrubs to safely get rid of existing blackheads and prevent further ones from occurring. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.